The federal government has confirmed a new one-time top-up tied to the GST and HST credit, aimed at helping Canadians manage higher grocery and essential costs. The measure is part of Bill C-19, formerly known as the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit Act, which received royal assent on February 12, 2026 after moving quickly through Parliament. The government says the goal is to deliver immediate relief to low and modest income households, while also building in longer-term support. The one-time top-up is calculated as a 50% increase to the annual value of the 2025 to 2026 GST credit. Because it is linked directly to existing GST and HST credit eligibility, most people will not need to apply. If you already receive the GST and HST credit and you file your income tax return, the Canada Revenue Agency is expected to automatically calculate your amount and issue the payment. Eligibility follows the same basic rules as the regular credit, including being a Canadian resident for income tax purposes at the start of the month of payment and meeting age or family status requirements. Payment amounts vary by income and family situation. The article highlights that a single senior with a net income of $25,000 could receive a maximum one-time top-up of $267. Families can receive more, with the example of a couple with 2 children and a net income of $40,000 receiving a one-time top-up of $533. These are maximum examples, and amounts decrease as family net income rises. The legislation also includes an ongoing enhancement beyond the one-time payment. Starting in July 2026, the Canada Groceries and Essentials Benefit value is set to rise by 25% for 5 years. Over the 2026 to 2027 through 2030 to 2031 fiscal period, the added support is expected to total $8.6 billion, and it may expand eligibility to about 500,000 additional people who were not previously eligible for the GST credit. The one-time top-up is expected to arrive in spring 2026, likely alongside the GST payment scheduled for April 2, 2026. After that, the enhanced benefit would be paid quarterly, with payments expected in July, October, January, and April. To avoid delays, the article advises Canadians to file taxes even with low or no income, keep personal details updated with the Canada Revenue Agency, and use direct deposit. It also warns that no separate application is required, so people should watch for scams.